We're here at Market Direct Campers in Coopers Plains, Brisbane to show you the new chock-n-lock by Explore. For owners of dual axle caravans and trailers, the challenge has always been to find a product that chocks, locks and stabilises the suspension until now. Stabilising your van with the chock-n-lock is as simple as placing it between the wheels and using the ergonomic turning mechanism to lock the wheels together. An optional padlock can be fitted for added security and peace of mind. Whilst the chock-n-lock comes with 2 extension plates as standard, they're also available to cater for vans with wider wheel spaces. So there you have it, the chock-n-lock, a revolutionary Australian designed and manufactured product for dual axle caravans and trailers.